Hey, it's Jason with CasterDepot. Today we're going to review Colson's Endura solid elastomer wheels. This is a Colson Endura wheel. If you need easy rolling under heavy loads or a great wheel for towline applications, the Endura wheel might be the perfect choice. Testing shows it outperforms most of the conventional caster wheels in the market. Its hardness or durometer is 63D. To look at it differently, the tread hardness is roughly equivalent to the shell of a golf ball. Endura wheels feature solid monoform wheel construction that molds the tread and the core as a single unit. This eliminates tread separation and bond failure. The wheel face is slightly crowned, which allows it to roll easily and support a heavier load. Endura wheels are available in 4x2, 5x2, 6x2, or 8x2 inch sizes. Endura wheels are easy rolling, durable, quiet, floor protectant, tolerant of intermittent temperatures from -45 to 230 degrees Fahrenheit, resistant to chemicals, oils, grease, and solvents, and resistant to chipping, cracking, and flat spotting. Endura wheels have superior impact strength and abrasion resistance. Depending on size, Endura wheels can support up to 1,200 pounds per wheel. Endura wheels can be fitted with mini bearing options, including Tolerant, roller, or precision ball bearings. CasterDepot has been the expert in casters and wheels since 1980. If you have any questions about Colson's Endura solid elastomer wheels, or if you are interested in purchasing, we are only a call, click, or visit away.